So here we are, Montana 94, testing the most versatile spray paint apparently. I know it's quite expensive, it's MTN, Spanish, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, matte colour. I've used this quite a bit in the past, but yeah, it's changed a bit over the years. Well, at least once that I'm aware of. So yeah, let's give it a go. I kind of got these for free, so I don't know exactly how much they cost. So yeah, I know the valves are quite stiff on them. NyQuil does fit on them. So yeah, today we'll try skinny caps level 1. And yeah, we've just got 3 that I'm going to use. Simple fades, maybe I'll do some bubbles or something. We'll try transversal cap for filling, try fat cap. They're generally quite a slow can from what I can remember. Loads of street artist type people, photorealistic people use these because they're matte obviously. So yeah, good for fading, stuff like that. So yeah, let's go. So I'm going to start with the dark grey. Simple 3 letters that I paint. X. Subscribe if you haven't already. Yeah. Trying to get to 1,000 by the end of this year. I hope it's possible. Mathematically it's possible on average. So yeah. So yeah. I remember my mate who used to sell these and never used to shake them up, and he didn't really have any cans blocking them that I'm aware of. Just a quick note for today, the weather's not great, it is quite damp, there's loads of water pouring out the wall because that blister there is filled with water. There's a big blister here which I popped. So yeah, so we're only going with 3 colours. Some nice skinny lines, easy to control the valve. Actually, let's try it without the NyQuil. Try it somewhere here. I always remember the valves being much stiffer, or maybe my can controls just got better. Yeah. Right, let's try it with filling cap, my favourite filling cap now. I know some of the yellows are a bit weak. So much more efficient filling with these caps. So let's try fat cap, if I can find one. I should have one somewhere. There we go, that's a fat cap. Right, you can use skinny cap on the blue for the middle bit. Do some insert stuff, I guess. Put the NyQuil on. I generally don't use a NyQuil when I'm using a fat cap. I found one I just used to use the NyQuil all the time. Not that I'm knocking the product, but me personally, I used to find that my can control had gone to shit if I didn't use a NyQuil. So I think it's good to kind of keep your eye in without using a NyQuil. Well, for myself personally, anyway. Yeah, it's just kind of my vibes. So there you go, that is it for the testing part of this video of the MTN 94 Spanish spray paint. So right, let's get into it. Quick rundown of my review. So colour range is epic, tons of colours, literally every colour you could require for painting, productions, whatever, you know. Valve I actually found, as you would have seen in this video, quite controllable, and from when I used to paint in the past, I didn't used to find it that controllable compared to other brands of paint like Iron Lac. Although at the time I probably wasn't as experienced as I am now, so yeah, maybe that's a big part of why I think the Valve is actually okay now. It's actually quite nice. So anyway, on to the next thing, which is coverage and finish. As you will have also seen in this video, even though the weather conditions and the damp emulsion were against me, it actually covered pretty well. Even though you see that the spray paint was kind of soaking into the wet emulsion a little bit, it was, you know, it still covered really well. The finish is also matte, which I also mentioned. The price. Now this is the shocking part. So I went on a really well-known Graff paint shop in the UK to check out the price, and yeah, it's over £5 a can. I think it was £5.65 a can, but you had to buy over 48 cans to get that price. If you were to buy like less than 24, I think it was something like £6 a can. Absolutely insane. So for that reason, I just wouldn't. I'd just get another brand. Simple as that. I know paint is generally expensive nowadays, compared to even what it was like 5 years ago. I would just get another brand. You get brands just as good for painting pieces and stuff that I do. Maybe if you're into photorealism, that kind of stuff, and that's your preferred brand, then yeah, I can understand why people do buy it. But still, it's a lot of money for a can of paint, like ridiculous amounts. But yeah, the quality is good. So is there anything else for me to go through? I was thinking of something else, but it's kind of gone. I'm looking through a little prompt sheet, shall we say, that I need to start using on every spray paint review, because otherwise it's not really kind of going over the correct points that I need to go over. So anyway, I think that is it. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up, because that's really important. Drop a comment, tell me which is your favourite spray paint. And also, have you ever used the MTN 94? And what do you think of it? Is it any good? Let me know. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.